Rising up like phoenixes, been tired of pushed to the ground. Speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can holding me back. I see.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, join me as we prepare a typical Filipino breakfast. So I'm going to make different type of silogs. Ham silog, to silog, what else? Bang silog. So let's grab some egg for the silog. Silog dishes are commonly served during breakfast, but you can always enjoy it any time of the day. And of course, kanin for sinangag, rice for fried rice, char. So we have tocino, spam silog, ham silog. So let's start preparing, guys. So you'll just see me fry all this stuff. Let's heat the oil first. I'm using olive oil. So we're frying hot dog and then the bangus. And then later on, we'll mix them all together. So we'll be having hot silog, bang silog, to silog, ham silog. Yes, that's typical Filipino breakfast.
Ganun lang. Sunog! Sunog, pe! Sunog, sunog, sunog! Ilalagay. Dito? Ay, ayaw. Ayaw kasi. Ayaw niya kasi. Okay. Good.
Para ganyan.
Ganun, tapos ganyan. Kung mga makeup artist.
Ano pa? Ganito.
Well done. Hirap pala magluto. Sakit. So, bang palitan yung plating niya? Hindi nga ako nung... Diba? Masarap tignan. Pero hindi daw yung professionally again. Kasi hindi naman... We are not professional. We ain't chef. So, it's okay. We ain't chef. We ain't chef, baby. We ain't chef. Dati natin pagkain. Thank you, Lord. Alam mo yun? Thank you, Lord talaga. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Yay! Zum, zum, zum. Ay, tumalon. Ano to? Ano pang niluluto? Sila nga. We're making a fried rice. Fried rice. Sila nga. Gusto ko sana siyang gawing kimchi. Pero wag na lang. Hindi yan Pilipinas. With, lagyan din natin siya ng spam.
And of course, guys, coffee is a must. Yes. So, ta-da! Here it is. We have hot dog, tocino, ham, the egg of course, and bangus and fried rice. Though it is usually served like this one. You get the idea.
Wala yun, maiksi lang yun. Yes!
Thank you so much for watching. To be updated on my adventure, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Also, don't forget to check Arbitrary Lessons by Perna. See ya!